Many people across Southern California, we know, are coping with some of the damage that's left behind that was brought by El Nino.
Yes.
Because it's not totally gone. We're just getting a bit of a break.
We're just getting into it. Gail Anderson live in Van Nuys at a company that specializes in handling all kinds of disasters, including El Nino. Hey, Gail.
Hey there, we've been taken to school today. Here, let us show you what SOS Survival Products is up to. A little bit of footage of what we've been through. This is the kind of thing that they handle all year long, plus fires, floods. Jeff Edelstein, we're talking with you about some of the popular items. This highly reflective rain gear, you say, has been extremely popular with people.
It's some of our most popular items right now. It's raining. People need to stay dry. So.
And for all the folks with jokes out there, okay, yeah, I look like a Sharpie. Oh, yeah, just call me Gail Minion. Ha, 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 ha. All right, now let's get to some information about preparation. Now that we have a break in the action, take a look at this. National Flood Insurance, hot off the press, these statistics. People bought more than 20,000 policies last fall getting ready for El Nino, so they're worried. You can still do that. The website is there, but keep in mind it takes 30 days for the policy to become effective. 30 days, so do it now while we're in the break. That's for renters and homeowners. Now, you also have a book here that is useful in that vein.
This is something you should think about before any type of disaster. If your house floods, it has information how to work with an insurance company, all the paperwork you need to do beforehand, inventorying your property beforehand. So this is a really good thing before stuff like flooding or earthquakes.
All right, and then Gail Minion here wants to remind people that after this rain is over, we'll be talking about drought. We're still in the drought. You have two kinds of rain barrels here?
Yeah, we have a rain barrel kit, which this will hook on to any type of trash can or water barrel. And then we have an actual rain barrel. You just need to... We're going to be in a drought after this rain, so you need to save the water now.
And then you've been astonishing us with pumps and other items in addition to Minion gear. Take a look at this. I have never heard of such a thing. This is a heater, but it's an indoor-outdoor heater.
Usually you do not want to use propane inside because
Heck no.
It's very dangerous. This company came out with a heater that's safe for indoor use. It has an automatic shutoff if the gas gets too much. So it's actually safe to stay warm.
Are you serious?
Yeah, with power outages, you may not be able to run your heat.
Okay. Learn more about this and everything we've talked about today. Here's the information. Free class, end of this month. SOS Survival Products. Incredible information, more than we even have time to show, but we'll tell you more in our 3 o'clock special. Come take a look, see what you need. Get ready for the next round of rain. More KTLA Morning News after this.